Are you ready to take the next step in your academic journey? Let's explore why Newcastle University, one of the UK's leading institutions, could be the perfect choice for you. From world-class education to an incredible student's experience, Newcastle University has it all. Newcastle University is ranked among the top universities in the UK and globally. It's a member of Russell Group, known for its commitment to high-quality teaching and research-based education. Whether you're looking to study business, engineering, medicine, or humanities, Newcastle offers a broad range of courses with some programs ranking in the global top 100. Facilities, world-leading research centers, and strong industry partnership that provide students with hands-on experience.
You will be learning in an environment that pushes the boundary of knowledge, ensuring you are well prepared for your future career. With students over 140 countries, Newcastle University offers a truly global experience. You will be joining a diverse and inclusive community where everyone feels welcome. Plus, the university provides exceptional support services from academic advisors to mental health resources to ensure you succeed in all aspects of your university life.
Located in the vibrant city of Newcastle upon Tyne, the university is surrounded by rich history, lively cultural events, and plenty of entertainment options. Newcastle is one of the UK's most affordable student cities, offering a high quality of life without breaking the bank. From shopping, dining, and nightlife to stunning natural landscapes, Newcastle has something for everyone.
With strong links to industry leaders and excellent internship opportunities, the university helps students to build their career from day one. Over 95% of Newcastle graduates are employed or they are pursuing their further studies within the 6 months. Your graduation starts here. At Affinity Education, we are here to make your dream studying at Newcastle University into a reality. From application guidance to visa assistance, we are here with you at your every step of the way. Contact us today to start your journey at Newcastle University. Thank you.